Welcome! It's that time of year to brew a butterbeer. That's right, I do this every year for the last 3 years. It is Sarah's and I's one of our favorite movies. We call it a Christmas movie because there's Christmas elements to it and there's just a bunch of magic in your heart. Just like the holidays that bring magic to everybody. Last year, I made it with churro, flaked oats, 20%, put a little bit of Galaxy hops in there, and then 5 teaspoons of butterscotch at bottling. What I also did was I tried to create diacetyl. For those who don't know what that is, it's a butterscotch flavor. It's what you find in Chardonnay, same thing. I'm using a yeast, 1318. It's a London ale strain. It's used for hazy IPAs a lot. I want this to be hazy. I'm not doing any hops for this one, but this could create some haze, I hope. But I don't know. I think usually it has to be in conjunction with a bunch of dry hopping. We will find out. Either way, I don't want this to drop too low my sugars. I want this to taste sweeter. How I'm also going to get this little sugary is mashing a little higher, 158 degrees Fahrenheit. That should get more of the alpha amylase enzymes working, which creates longer sugar chains, which the yeast have trouble eating. Hopefully a fuller bodied, hopefully a slightly sweeter beer. We'll find out. Also, I'm going to the flaked oats that has beta-glucans in it, soluble fiber, it's gumminess, could add body to as well. I'm also adding chloride to it. That's also going to add some body to it. I'm doing all the parameters in place to really beef up the body this year. That's what it lacked last time. I also got something. This is a nitro tank. I got one and I got it for free, pretty much. Friend of Sarah's, old coworker, was moving, sold us a super cheap, like just I need to get rid of it cheap, kegerator, 2 tap handles, nitro tank. We're gonna put wine on it most likely. Sorry, I have a bunch of beer in here. I don't need more beer. But I got a nitro tank. I'm gonna try and put this beer on nitro. That's what it really needs to drive this home to make it the best butter beer that has ever been made. This is the year. This is it. It's the real deal. It's happening. Let's get started. And then that brings us to here. It was that simple. Any of those new to brewing or stumbled upon this and saw the word butterbeer in the title and go, what is he talking about? I don't know how to brew beer at all. If you're curious, you want to know more, I'll put in the description below basics to all grain brewing, a video I did, and also how to do a brew in a bag, which is what I'm doing today. I also got pretty basic with that as well. So enjoy those, if you want. So let's get the yeast, let's pitch it in, go from there. Well, I'm an idiot. I forgot to do the smack pack on this. I'm going to keep this at 65 degrees Fahrenheit. Let it go for a week and a half or so, 2 weeks. And add the butterscotch schnapps at bottling. I don't think I need to do the diacetyl thing like I did last year. I think the butterscotch schnapps alone will take care of it. When I tried this the last 2 times, purposely putting diacetyl in it was more of an experiment to see if I could do it, but it's not really needed. Let's cut to bottling and adding the schnapps. 2.5 weeks later, kegging time. Got all the components here. I got this all set up, my nitro tank. Got my butter shot schnapps from last year. Should still be good, right? There's a little problem here in the fact that I don't know, this feels empty, this nitro tank. When I got it from the guy, he said it was very low. I don't know. I'm going to try it. I've also heard that you need to put it at around 30 psi or so for nitro. I'm not 100% sure about that. Someone knows, comment. Alright, I'm going to add the butterbeer, add the schnapps. I might taste it before I call it. We'll see. I should probably. Got a teaspoon here. Last year I did 5. Try 5 again, see how it tastes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, stir it in. Needs more. Like a lot more. So let's do 10 this time. It tastes sour. I wonder if by not hopping it, it got a little infection in it. Alright, well that's 15 total. I'm gonna go with that. I think it's gonna be fine. We'll see if this indeed did get a little sour. Next year I might have to add hops just for that factor alone. Okay, well we'll see how this goes. See if it even does anything. Well, there's stuff left in it. I'm gonna leave it out. Actually, right now it's about 55 degrees Fahrenheit, 6 degrees Fahrenheit in Los Angeles area in late December. We'll leave it out overnight. My other chest freezer is set to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'll probably leave it at that, honestly. I think serving it at that temperature would be really nice. If this is sour, that is unfortunate, but I'm still curious to see what the nitro provides. Provided there's not a leak or this really isn't out, which does appear to be, or very low. So yeah, that's it. That's the base of the butterbeer. This is going to be interesting. Stay tuned for the tasting. Hopefully I can get Sarah in on the tasting as well. Yeah, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Keep getting weird, even if you make unintentional sour beer.